Moral dilemma of mercy killing. Was this mother right to end her son's life? Aiding a loved one escape a life of misery through euthanasia. Writing from the Daily Mirror, United Kingdom news magazine, is the source. Ethical questions and legal questions. Is family conducted euthanasia an ethical dilemma or a punishable offense by law? Should it be strictly illegal or left to interpretation by investigation of the act itself? The urgent moral question. How is assisted suicide to be dealt with and looked upon in society ethically, morally, and legally? What's at stake? People's lives and loved ones' lives. Taxpayers' dollars on investigations and possibly punishment expenses. Issues being addressed. Is the merciful assistance of suicide of a loved one suffering from a painful, debilitating, and degenerative disease unethical, immoral, and or ultimately illegal? Some say yes, some say no. Should law specific to the act be put in place allowing for situational interpretation, or should it be outlawed completely? Key facts. There are many cases in the news of euthanasia occurring every day for very ill individuals suffering from excruciating pain and suffering that oftentimes want to have the option to decide to die. Is it their right to do so, and if so, how is the act to be conducted and be considered legal? Stakeholders, those affected by the outcome. The suffering family member dying or suffering in pain from debilitating diseases diminishes the quality of life to the point of needing to escape the misery. Family members are asked to assist in the ending of the painful existence. Psychological and legal consequences are left to be dealt with. The sick or the dying may recover or have some semblance of a meaningful life with counseling and guidance. Authorities that need to determine the scope of the action and if legal actions need to be taken to enforce the law upon the investigation of death will ensue. Outcomes. The suffering may be able to move on from their suffering, however, they will be leaving loved ones by themselves. Family members may be exposed to serious legal ramifications and long-time personal grievances and guilt associated with their actions due to the assistance of their death of their loved ones. 44 states have strict laws against assisted suicide. 6 states allow assistance of suicide by physician. The debate of legality and the push by the families of the suffering for viable, humane options continue.